Today we're taking to the skies with our cool new mini drone. This is the X-Pac 2, and it was so much fun to fly. It can do flips, take pictures, and so much more. But first, what's in the box? The X-Pac 2 comes shipped to your door in a convenient little box. Inside, you have your operation manual, as well as batteries for your controller, charging cable, spare propellers, and some extra accessories. Then you have your controller and drone combo. The controller allows you to store your fully collapsed drone safely and be able to take it with you easily. If you pop open the cover on your controller, you can lift out your drone. When it's fully collapsed, it takes up little room and it can fit in the palm of your hand. You can also easily prepare it for flight by folding out the wings to the furthest position. This allows for quick setup and lets you fly right away. The drone also comes complete with a little camera that you can view through your phone. There's even a phone mount so you can take pictures and video. It's also nice to see where you're flying. To get started, all you need to do is put in the included batteries into your controller, and then charge your drone through the charge port in the back. Once that's fully charged, you can press and hold the button on the back to turn on your drone. When it's flashing blue, it's in pairing mode. So turn on your controller and push both joysticks down and inward to pair the controller with the drone. When it connects, the lights will stop flashing and become solid. Then you're ready to fly. I engaged takeoff and flew it right out the barn door. I flew it through my yard for a bit and it just zips around. It's so fast and it's so fun to fly. The controls were just like my pro level drones, so I was able to pick up on it right away. For it being such a light drone, I had so much control over it. Then I got cocky and I wanted to try out the FPV mode. I connected my phone and I was flying around taking pictures and video of myself. The camera is what it is. You're not flying this to take professional photos. You're flying this to have some fun. What impressed me was while I was taking some photos, I crashed. And not some normal crash either. I hit a tree and it flipped into the creek and it got stuck in the mud. It was wet and I lost some props. I cleaned it up, put some new props on it, and it fired right back up. I flew it around the backyard and played keep away with the huskies. They had so much fun chasing this little guy around. And me? I had more fun trying to evade and maneuver around the yard with my new drone. It was actually pretty good practice. I got to learn the drone while the huskies had a blast chasing it. And I won't lie, I crashed it a few more times. Our backyard is a little cramped, and I was bouncing off of things left and right. This little drone is so lightweight that it can actually take a beating and remain intact. A full-speed collision does little to no damage. Most of the time, if the props don't get caught up in leaves or sticks, it'll just bounce off and keep flying. And if that's not enough, it can even do flips and has smart fly features. I think this is a fantastic beginner drone, and if I had a bigger house, I'd be flying this indoors. It's so tiny and lightweight that I feel like it was made to crash and have a long lifespan. If I didn't lose my propellers in the creek crash, they would probably have been fine. I've had so much fun testing this, and I'm sure you will too. So if you're looking for a fun drone for you or for your kids, then the X-Pac 2 might just be for you. If you'd like to get one for yourself, please use the affiliate link in the description below. It helps support the channel and it doesn't cost you any extra. Till next time, I'm off to go fly my new drone some more. See ya. I got muddy.